Good afternoon everyone. Myself Shirsat Sonali Sudam in Physics Department for SVKT College, Devali Camp, Nashik. We have already studied in a previous lecture for the electrodynamics subjects. For the first chapter is the electrostatics. The first point is we have to study the electric intensity due to a point charge distribution or point charge. Second point is the electric intensity due to a group of point charge. Third point is the electric field due to continuous charge distribution, and this third point is the electric field due to a continuous charge distribution. In this point is sub-points is the volume charge density, second point is the surface charge density, and third point is the line charge density. We are studied for the today's session is the expression for or expression in electric intensity due to a volume charge distribution. Expression for electric intensity due to a volume charge distribution. We have to consider the small element, or consider the volume element is V, and in this volume element is the charge distribution is the Q. This diagram is the small element, this is the volume for the, this is the volume element. Okay. In this volume element is distributed for the volume charge distribution, and this is the volume charge distribution for the Cartesian coordinate to the x, y and z. Z coordinated, here x and here y. In this volume charge distribution, is the small volume element is dV dash, and this is the charge element is the, means you know that the we have to study in a previous lecture for the volume charge density. Volume charge density is the rho of r dash vector, is the volume charge density, and this point is the, this is the small element is the volume charge distribution, and for the volume charge density is equals to volume charge density is the dV dash. This is the point, this is the small volume element. We can draw, we have to draw here, this is the point, and the position point, volume charge distribution in this, the position point is the P. I can draw here position point, P, and origin here, origin is the O, and this origin to point P distance is origin to point P distance to the r vector. Here I can write r vector. This is the small element is the dV dash, and the point origin to small element, and the point origin to small element, small volume element is r dash vector. This is the distance for the r dash vector, and we have find in this topic is the electric intensity. Electric intensity E vector is equals to, in electric intensity for dE vector is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and charge dq upon magnitude of r vector its cube into r vector. This is the r vector is the total distance for the volume, small volume element to the position point P. I can write here r vector. Next is the total electric intensity. Total electric intensity is the total electric intensity is, therefore electric intensity E vector into R vector is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and here volume charge distribution is the volume charge density and integration for the distribution for the volume charge, integration के बाद volume charge is the rho of R vector into dV dash divided by magnitude of R vector its cube into R vector, equation number 1. This is the electric intensity is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is the constant, is the volume charge density or volume charge distribution is the V, and volume charge density upon R vector its cube into R vector. Next is the volume charge or electric intensity is, therefore or electric intensity E vector of R vector is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration for the volume charge distribution is the R vector. Here R vector is the volume charge density into R dash vector upon a magnitude of R vector minus R dash vector into R vector minus R dash vector, equation number 2. And since R from figure, R vector is equals to R vector minus R dash vector. This is the total electric intensity for the E vector into R vector is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration of V into rho of R dash vector upon a magnitude of R vector minus R dash vector. Here the distance for the origin to volume element and the origin for the position point. We have to find the electric intensity for the point for the P, position point P. Means then electric intensity rho of R dash vector upon a R vector minus R dash vector into R vector minus R dash vector. This is the rho. Then substituting for volume charge distribution. Here volume charge distribution means the rho of R dash vector into dV dash is replacing by or substituting by surface charge distribution. Surface charge distribution is the sigma of R dash vector into ds dash vector ds dash, and the line charge distribution this is denoted by the lambda of R dash vector into dl dash. We can write here this surface charge density or surface charge distribution and the line charge distribution, put the above equations value. I can rub these equations, equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Put in equation number 2, and therefore the electric intensity into R vector is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration of a surface charge distribution is the sigma of R dash vector into ds dash upon a magnitude of R vector into R vector. This is the surface charge distribution. This is the surface charge distribution, and second is the line charge distribution. Therefore E into R vector is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration of L is the line charge distribution for the lambda into R dash vector into dl dash divided by magnitude of R vector its cube into R vector is the line charge line charge distribution. This is the electric intensity for the volume charge distribution, this is the surface charge distribution, and this is the line charge distribution for the electric intensity. Okay.